Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nisa, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. Everything I link to will be linked to down below in the description, and let's get right into the video. So right now, all I'm doing is removing her previous set, and then after this, I did go ahead and remove the shine. This is a 2X coarse bit that I'm using, and it is from Pana, and it is a safety top drill bit. That way, I do not cut her. Also, this first part is in real time, just so you can see how long it took me. And I did speed it up now because it was not moving along quick enough for me because I didn't have my drill bit high enough. But this is just going to be a simple fill and a redesign. And so I'm not going to be taking her nails all the way down to a thin base layer of acrylic. I'm keeping some on there because all I'm doing is adding a little bead of clear, but taking down some of the thickness, and of course removing that previous design that I do have a video on, and I will link it in the cards. Also, I do have a playlist full of all of my acrylic nails. So if you want to see my evolution from when I started to where I am now, you can go ahead and click that. I will leave it in the cards as well. I went ahead and dehydrated and primed. 2 layers of primer, of course. And now I'm going in with my first bead and then just blending it down because literally this is it. This is why I love fills. Sometimes the prep part takes a little bit longer because, you know, I have to remove the shine. In this case, I did take down some of her length because it was just a little too long for her. Reshape them to make it more proportional, and then go in with the primer, dehydrator, and now I'm finally doing the acrylic. And this was in real time, and now it's going to go back up to being 2 times the speed. And then after this, I do have a little bit of reshaping and sealing the cuticle. This is a Tammy Taylor peel and stick hand file, and for reference, this set did only take me an hour and 30 minutes, and it could have taken me even shorter. However, I did mess with my brush quite a bit because one had acrylic in it and then the other didn't, and I was trying to figure out which one would be better. And now I am going in with a 180 grit sanding band to go ahead and seal her cuticle as well as smooth the nail out completely. Now I'm going ahead and buffing, and this is kind of a little bit unnecessary, but I wanted the gel polish to lay pretty smooth. I went ahead and dusted everything off, and now I'm going in with a layer of Beetles B0, I think it's 2-1, and then a Mamita pink color just to get her perfect nude. And I did cure each color for a full 60 seconds. And then I went ahead and went in with a layer of top coat, which was new for me. I wanted to test something out, and I will continue to do my top coat like that, depending on her results. So I will let you guys watch, and then I will be back. Did cure the top coat layer for a full 120 seconds. Because that was based off of the bottle. This is the Beetles base coat, and I love it. Not base coat, top coat. And I love it so much. It is a really shiny top coat for only like $9 or something. Maybe it's 10 now. But they have been very consistent throughout the years. And these are 15 milliliters, and they last for quite a while. Now I'm going in and rubbing in this chrome that I got from a nail friend. And I have not used this on someone yet, so here I am rubbing it in real time. And then I do go ahead and rub it in with my finger, and then I ended up switching the order to rubbing it in with my finger, then going ahead and adding a little bit more on the sponge and rubbing it in that way, and it just worked so much better for me. Here she is checking it out, and she said it was a yes. Sadly, I did get out of frame. However, the thumb was nice and clear, so I am showing you what I was talking about. You can see that it just rubs in a little bit better. So like I said, I will be testing out this way of laying it on top of the top coat and then sealing it in with another layer of top coat and see how it lasts on her. And her nails have grown super quick. You guys remember me doing her 25th birthday nails, which is the set that I was taking off, and you see how far they were grown up, and it has not been that long since her birthday. And after this, I will have the final reveal photos, so stay tuned because the low light was gorgeous, and I may add in a couple of pictures that I really liked. After that, you want to go ahead and dust off all of the chrome that you really can, and then go ahead and top coat, and I will show you how to clean up the skin afterwards. The best way to remove the excess chrome off of the finger is to use a lint-free nail wipe and some cleanse or some alcohol, but make sure before you even cure the nails to wipe it off and the chrome will not stick as badly. Here I am applying the cuticle oil. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell. Everything I've linked to be linked to down below in the description, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.